Hey there, Marc Shelton with ProHangers Supply. ProHangers Supply is the North, Central, and South American representative for tapo-fix pasting machines and material dispensers. I want to talk to you today about a new addition to the tapo-fix family of products, which is our mix-it-yourself paste, the MIY paste, which is a cellulose powdered paste that is combined with strengthening resins. That is a product that is suitable for most products in the U.S. market. It's designed to use with nonwovens, papers, light grasses and cycles, and many other products up to a type 1 vinyl. This is a product that comes in a 35-ounce, 1 kilogram box. It is a powdered paste that you mix yourself using a bucket, a drill, a mixer, and clean water. Differentiating the mix-it-yourself paste to the products that you may be used to in the U.S. market, the ready-mix vinyls and other pastes like that, you have advantages to the cellulose mix-it-yourself product in the fact that it is a dry product that you can easily store. It's lightweight, doesn't take up a whole lot of space. It's in a eco-friendly cardboard box that is biodegradable, doesn't take up space in a landfill, and it also has the ability for you to mix up only what you need when you need it. So in the deep south where you're dealing with high temperatures, you don't have spoilage from paste sitting in the heat. In the north where you're dealing with freezing temperatures, you don't have spoilage due to paste freezing and then having to throw it out. MIY cellulose paste is a high tensile, high strength cellulose paste that is very suited and recommended for humid environments. It's not going to re-wet and cause issues with damaging or staining papers. It's a clean paste that cleans up well and it goes on with a smooth application. Mix Yourself paste comes in a 35-ounce box that you can mix to 2.6 US gallons of water to make approximately 2.5 to 3 gallons of paste. Your consistency of water and the amount that you yield of your paste is going to vary depending on the material that you're installing and how thick, how viscous you want your paste to be. It's also usable as a wall sizing or a pre-pasted wallpaper activator. In these instances, you're going to mix this a little higher water content, 4 to 5 gallons, which is going to yield around 1,600 to 2,000 square foot of coverage. Mixed as a paste, you're going to get anywhere from 500 to 700 square feet of coverage. So in order to mix your paste, you're first going to want to take your box. This is a powdered paste that's in a cardboard box, and if it's been sitting for a while, you're going to want to go ahead and shake it pretty vigorously. Go ahead and turn your box around, shake it, make sure all of this powder is breakthrough, that you don't have any clumps or lumps inside the box. You'll need a clean bucket, clean water, a mixer, and a drill. Once the entire box is added to the water, continue mixing for 2 to 3 minutes until all visible lumps or clumps have dissipated. Let the paste sit for 20 to 25 minutes and then mix again vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes until the paste is smooth and consistent.